Okay, we all know men tend to die before women, but is it just habits or something deeper? And that gap is huge. We're talking 6 whole years on average. Wow.
Yeah, people blame risky jobs, smoking, that kind of thing, but that is not the whole story.
So what's really going on biologically? Turns out the answer is in our genes.
It's all about a specific gene called FOXO3. People even call it the longevity gene. Think of it like your body's own little repair crew, fighting off cancer and fixing genes. And here's the key. Women have more estrogen, and estrogen flips this gene's on switch.
But don't worry, you don't need more estrogen. There are actually a ton of ways to activate it. Okay, so how do you turn it on? Let's start with what you're eating. Things like salmon, broccoli, and green tea are packed with phytonutrients that fire this gene up. Next up, stress. But, the good kind. It can also flick the switch. Think saunas, cold plunges, even intense exercise. These things tap into our survival programming. It's not just what you eat, but when you eat, and what your body uses for fuel. So things like intermittent fasting or using ketones for fuel are super powerful signals for your body. All right, so we know how to turn it on, but what shuts it down? Let's look. See the pattern? It's basically challenge versus comfort. What helps you grow versus what makes you stagnant. And it's not just lifestyle. A lot of things in our modern world can switch it off. And this is wild. Chemicals in plastics can mimic estrogen, but they actually do the opposite.
So what's the takeaway? Your longevity isn't just written in stone. You have a say.
Your daily choices are the blueprint. So the real question is, what are you going to build?